Tonight, we learned that we have had 2 individuals who were tested at facilities in Mecklenburg County are presumptive positive for COVID-19.
Well, that was the headline earlier today, but headlines don't last long these days. In the past hour, cases across our area continued to spread. Thanks for joining us. I'm Scott Wickersham.
I'm Erica Bryant. Now we can tell you a look at what has changed. First, at 11 o'clock this morning, we were told Mecklenburg County had 2 presumptive cases. At this point, that is still holding. Both of those patients, we're told, are isolated right now at home, and they are doing well. But in the past hour, we've learned that Lancaster County now has a 2nd case. The first case in our area happened there yesterday. This new case, we're told, is being called a case with household contact. So apparently someone who lived with that first patient or lives with that first patient. We also learned just moments ago that Cabarrus County now reporting 1 case.
This picture captures a lot of people's feelings, and this is in uptown Charlotte. This is from a worker inside one Wells Fargo, and you can see crews out there in uniforms, hazmat uniforms, covered head to toe, cleaning. That's after Wells Fargo said a worker had prolonged close contact with a person who did test positive for coronavirus. As of now, they say that Wells Fargo worker is just being monitored at home. That worker has not tested positive. Our Susana Black has been looking into Mecklenburg County's new cases all day today, and she's live for us in Uptown. Susana?
Well, Scott, the first thing that I really want to reiterate here is that those 2 people who have tested positive for the coronavirus here in Mecklenburg County, health officials say that they are doing okay tonight, well enough that they are at home where they are in isolation. But before today, like you just mentioned, we know that an employee here at the Wells Fargo building in Uptown was in close and prolonged contact with one of those folks who tested positive for coronavirus. So the cleaning that you see happening in this photo, that's to prevent more spread, or a term that we've heard a lot lately, community spread. Health Director Gibby Harris said they are now working quickly to try and identify anyone that came into contact with these 2 people and might have been exposed. Officials say they have traced both of these cases back to recent travel. One traveled out of state, the other out of the country.
But they're isolating at home. They're not severely ill. And we need to be supportive as a community of individuals who have been exposed and become ill from this infection.
And home is where they will stay until they hear differently from the health department. And one other thing that I do want to note, both of those people tested positive in Mecklenburg County facilities. But again, health officials tell us that only one of those people lives in Mecklenburg County. We're told the other one lives in a surrounding county. Guys.
Well, you know, Susana, actually, I got texted that same picture that you just showed earlier today from a friend of mine. A lot of people see pictures like that, and of course they know this is cleaning. We're trying to make sure the common areas are cleaned out, but you see that and you're like, wow, this is important, and it is. But at the same time, you're in Uptown, you're near all these offices. What kind of demeanor are you seeing from people as they go about their business? Is it business as usual?
Yeah, Scott, that's exactly what I was going to say. I mean, looking around here in Uptown, it's exactly that, business as usual. People are just going about their days like they always do. But as we know, this is a very fluid situation. It's changing minute by minute. So we'll just have to keep an eye on things here and see if they change.
All right. Hopefully they can get that cleaned up and that worker will not test positive from here in Charlotte.